Dubai is a major oil-producing region, and oil is the foundation of its economy. The oil industry is responsible for around 25% of the UAE's GDP, and the majority of that oil is produced in Dubai. Here are some facts about Dubai's oil industry. Dubai has significant oil reserves, with estimates putting the amount of oil beneath the emirate at around 4 billion barrels. The first oil well in Dubai was drilled in 1966, and since then, the oil industry has been a major driver of economic growth in the emirate. Dubai exports most of its oil to other countries, with Japan, South Korea, and India among its biggest customers. While oil remains a critical part of Dubai's economy, the emirate has also diversified into other industries such as tourism, finance, and real estate in recent years. Dubai's oil industry is closely linked to the wider energy industry, and the emirate is home to several major oil and gas companies, including the Dubai Petroleum Company and Emirates National Oil Company, (ENOC). In addition to oil, Dubai also has significant reserves of natural gas, which it uses to power its industries and generate electricity for its growing population. Dubai has invested heavily in renewable energy in recent years, with projects such as the Mohammed bin Rashid Al Maktoum Solar Park, which is one of the world's largest solar power plants, helping to reduce the Emirates' reliance on fossil fuels.